Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm Marian Castro. I'm a double bass player from El Sistema, Venezuela. I studied double bass with my teacher, Maestro Felix Petit. I did my degree in music education at the University of Carabobo in Valencia, Venezuela. I was professor at the Latin America Academy of Double Bass, the University of the Arts, and Simón Bolívar Conservatory in Caracas. I currently live in Miami for about 4 years, a city where I had the honor of meeting the master Claus Freudenstein, to whom I want to say thank you for allowing me to share with you some of my experience. Thank you so much, maestro, and thank you to all of you. I currently play with some orchestras here in Miami and also teach double bass, cello, and music. I must clarify before telling you my experience that I'm not a doctor, nor am I certified in the health area. However, I can tell a little about my experience. For this, I'm going to base myself on a student who has autism. He's a talented child with a lot of discipline, has a condition which apparently it's a challenge simply because we have to repeat the information many times or with different strategies, which seems completely normal to me. The state of his mood change. Sometimes he does not want to receive class, and his health sometimes is fragile. In my opinion, I'm mentioning characteristic of any child in the world. As I see, from a human point of view, he is a completely normal child, but without mask, to be able to pretend the opposite of what he feels. It is important to be aware that we are all different. If our teachers had taught us in a school as we need individually, learning will be very, very fast. But is important. It is easier for teachers than the same method that works for one works for all. And I understand the different reasons. I really understand. Sometimes it is difficult having many children in a group. But that is good too, because it helps to motivate. But we must remember, each child always needs attention. And if you ask me exactly how the work with my student has been, I can say that it has been one of the best experience. Sometimes he has to adapt to groups or orchestras that go much faster, and we just need to work harder and without pressure. I would like to make a question. Was not difficult for some of us when we had to adapt to groups or orchestras that have more experience than us? Well, I think it's the same. My student has his own time to do things. And the most important thing for everyone in life, for every student, is to learn and having fun doing it. And that is exactly what happened with the method of the maestro Claus Freudenstein. We first began to sing the lyric with the melody. This was really, really fun and he immediately wanted to do it again and again. After he had learned melody and lyric, we practiced the line of the double bass several times. He was excited to see that he was playing easily. After that, we played the melody with the bass at the same time, and it was really, really magic because he could recognize that he was doing something amazing. We continue with the next lesson, and in one day we did 2, and the next class we did 2 more, and today he is already singing a different melody with lyric plus bass line. So this has been a wonderful experience that we will continue to do because it helps with motivation and skill development. So we hope this method reach volume 10, 20 or more. This has been a little bit of my experience with one of my students that I currently have. I want to thank you for this initiative, for allowing me to share a little bit of my contribution, and I hope to be able to share with you like soon. Thank you.